आज मैं सोच रही हूँ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट पेट ट्रैवल इन इंडिया. मतलब इवन इन 2025 आई फील इट्स नॉट दैट easy and we don't have a lot of reliable information everywhere. Um, I mean, there are many options, but trains and flights are two options. But for me, especially if I want to travel with my pet, I would want to keep the travel time really is less, so that वो anxiety उनकी कम रहे. So train is for me in general it's not a very great option, but flights are. But then there are so many regulations and so many this and that ऐसा लगता है कि क्यों ही करना. But never mind, I actually had to do it. I didn't have any other option, so I went for it. And I think I can share with you all the details and all the experience that I had. Oh, there's a flash. I'll go get it. Maybe we can do this while we are talking. So, essentially, India में there are like two airlines which will allow you to travel with your pets, like the two most pet friendly airlines I would say, and those are Akasa Air and Air India. Air India तो काफ़ी टाइम से कर रही है actually, and Akasa Air ने very recently I think 2022 या 2023 में start किया है. So uh, and surprisingly I liked them better than Air India. So yeah, let's get directly to the point. To be able to travel with your pet, first thing you should know. I got one more flower. So yeah, to be able to travel with your pet, the first thing that you should know is that your pet should be at least 8 weeks old or 3 months old. So 8 weeks for Air India, and for Akasa it's I think 3 months old. Then obviously they should have all the vaccinations in place, मतलब बिना vaccination के allowed नहीं होगा. And then what they also need, which is very important, is to get a fit to fly certificate. Fit to fly certificate will be, you can get it from anywhere. थोड़ा I think 48 hours पहले या 72 hours पहले तक का होना चाहिए. So you go to them and you ask them to get this document to you. They'll do that. It's very easy. And so basically, first you book your travel. So for me, it was like I was going from Bangalore to Lucknow. So I booked my flights in advance. For pet, you have to book a separate ticket. So that can be booked by getting in touch with these guys. So I chose Akasa Air and I'll tell you why. But first, let's get into the process. So Akasa Air में क्या करा, मैंने उनको मेल किया एंड उनका मेल का कुछ ऐसा मेल का ऐसा कुछ वो डाला सब्जेक्ट लाइन लाइक पेट ऑन बोर्डिंग एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. And what they respond in like 36 hours. मेरे को काफ़ी जल्दी रिस्पॉन्स आ गया था. सो उसमें तुम्हें सारी डिटेल्स डालनी होती है, लाइक तुम्हारे पेट का वेट, तुम्हारे पेट का नाम, तुम्हारे पेट का ब्रीड, एंड वैक्सीनेशन कब हुआ था, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. एंड देन जो भी बैक एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चंस होंगे ऑब्वियसली दे विल टेल यू अबाउट इट. So once you reach out to them, they will respond to you and they will provide you with all the guidelines, and there will be like there's a flat fee that you have to pay for the booking. So when I booked, it was 5,000 rupees, but today, as of today, it's 7,500. Now, booking a ticket does not mean it gives you an extra seat. It's basically it gives you an entry to the cabin, और तुम अपने साथ पेट को ले जा सकते हो. तुम you can only place them just below your seat, so तुम्हारे पैरों के पास रहेंगे वो. So again, coming back to the weight, so you can only carry like small pets in the flights. So तुम्हारा पेट का वेट should not be more than 7 kgs and तुम्हारी कैरियर का वेट should not be more than 3. So combined weight 10 kg से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता है. If it's more than that, then it will go like a checked in baggage. Checked in baggage में I think 10 kg या 15 kg तक अलाउड होता है. उसका चार्जेस होता है 15,000 फ्लैट. ऑल ऑफ दिस I'm talking about Akasa Air by the way. एंड देन अगर उससे भी बड़ा है, उससे भी ज़्यादा वेट है, देन इट गोज़ बाय कार्गो और उसका रेट्स आर लाइक 35,000 समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई एब्सोल्युटली डू नॉट recommend that because they sedate your pet in either you take via checked in bag or cargo. And just imagine like उनको ऐसे सामान के बीच में रख दिया गया है sedate करके. अब आई फील इट्स वेरी ट्रामेटाइजिंग. भी मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स से सुना है, इट इज़ क्वाइट ट्रामेटाइजिंग. So coming back to the easier way to travel with them, which is cabin. So if your pet, so I have a cat. Cat का size maximum इतना ही होगा. Cabin में, like I said, only 10 kgs are allowed, and there's a specific kind of carrier that you can take with you. You cannot take any choice or bag of your choice. Akasa Air में there's a like a hard box. This is basically the carrier. इसमें बहुत सारे लोगों के पास देखा होगा. So this is the approved one. You cannot take any soft bags जिसमें जो मुड़ जाते हैं इधर उधर. That's not allowed in Akasa. I think Air India में वो allowed है. Because I first bought that bag, black color का एक bag, वो जो तुम्हारे air bag जैसा होता है, but then I sent them the photo, but they declined, like it's not allowed. तो फिर मैंने ये खरीदा. Then there's also a specific measurement. So it's like 19 inches, 19 by 12.5 or something like that. Even if it exceeds by half an inch, they will not allow. And the reason being, जो तुम्हारे seat के नीचे जो space है where you keep your leg, it has that kind of space that will fit in this bag. अगर वो थोड़ा भी बड़ा होगा तो वो fit नहीं होगा. And like I said, you cannot keep your bag on the seat. You do not get an additional seat for your cat. So जाएगा तो वो bag के नीचे ही. So you have to make sure कि वो इतना ही रहे मतलब. So coming back to bookings. So you send them an email and you send them their weight and everything and name, breed, etc. Then they'll respond to you with certain questions. ऐसे ही मतलब general hygiene questions, nothing major. And that's all I think. It's not that. Then you'll obviously have to make the payment of 7,500 and they'll send you the booking details, etc. In my case, they also asked me to have a muzzle for my cat, जो face पे लगाते हैं. Just for the safety of other pets. It's and also like when you go to the airport, the security check में तुम्हें अपना bag pet का ये भी डालना पड़ता है carrier. So you have to do that. And they also asked me to have a leash. So what they suggested was कि put your cat on leash और उसको मज़ल होना चाहिए. तो सिक्योरिटी चेक में कैट को ही स्कैन किया जाएगा. बट इन माई केस आई थिंक आई गॉट लकी, वैसा नहीं हुआ. दे जस्ट स्कैन द होल बैग एंड डिड नॉट आस्क मी टू टेक द कैट आउट ऑफ द बैग एंड पुट इट ऑन द सिक्योरिटी टेबल. Thank God, because I don't know how it would have felt to see my cat getting scanned through that machine. No. So requirements में I think इतना ही है. So this is like my vaccination वाला book. So make sure it's vaccinated and it's not very old. Like ये सारा सब कुछ होना चाहिए. If it's too old, may not allow. And मतलब जो भी है basically अगर तुम्हारा expiry date बहुत close नहीं होना चाहिए. बाकी pregnant cats को allowed नहीं है. Any उसको infection है. I mean it should be fit. That is why you need that fit to fly certificate. So once that is all done, once you've paid the ticket, once you've got the confirmation on the email, they will also provide you with a phone number. So that is all done, and then you can just once you're sure, you can just go to the airport. Make sure you're reaching like 2-3 hours pehle, because in cases where you have pets, you get secure what is that called? Priority check-in and priority boarding, everything. That's good. But the best part and the funny part is when you reach to the airport, like the airport, the best part is that you're like a celebrity. Everybody's looking at you like, oh, this is cute, and you like it because but it's nice, like you get priority check-in. So तुमको सबसे पहले भेज देंगे and you सब check-in किया जाएगा, wait किया जाएगा, सब कुछ check, फिर से वो certificates वगैरह देखे जाएंगे. And once that is done, then you can go to the priority boarding side also. वहाँ पे भी सबसे पहले तुम्हें boarding करने को मिलेगा, and you will usually get the last seat, or you can choose between, I think they'll give you an option to choose from last few seats only, and you will always get a window seat. So these are some of the benefits, perks that you get, but it's also because for the, I think, the safety of the passengers and your cat and you as well. So बाकी तुम्हें पूरे टाइम खुद से ध्यान रखना होता है कि तुम पेट को अपनी गोदी में नहीं रख सकते हो while the flight is taking off, or even any time. Like वो पेट हमेशा नीचे रहना चाहिए. You have to if it's उसको वैसे मैंने सोचा था कि मैं एंग्जाइटी टैबलेट्स वगैरह दूंगी, बट मैंने ऐसा कुछ दिया नहीं. आइडियली दे ऑल्सो सजेस्टेड कि निकलने से 2 घंटे पहले तक जस्ट डोंट फीड हर or him anything. Maybe a little bit of water is fine. And oh yeah, very also they asked me to have pee pads. So my pets के लिए like pee pads आते हैं. Just place them in your bag to suck in all the moisture and stuff. So other than that, I mean, for cats at least that I know is they will anyway not poop and pee at a place where they're not comfortable, or they're not like, it's not known, they don't know that place. So once they're outside their home and in the carrier and on the airport, वो anyway कहीं पे गंदगी नहीं मचाने वाले हैं. So that I think I was kind of sure about that कि ठीक है, वो पार्ट तो मेरे को टेंशन नहीं है. तो बाकी ऐसा कुछ क्रेजी नहीं हुआ. मतलब वहाँ पे स्टाफ काफ़ी, आपको एक बंदा मिलता है आपकी पूरी टाइम हेल्प करने के लिए, एंड पीपल वर लाइक रियली हेल्पफुल, एक्साइटिंग. मतलब मुझे ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग नहीं लगा. एंड देन मुझे चेक इन मिल गया, मैं जाके बैठ गई, एंड एवरीबडी वॉज काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंडली. ऐसा कुछ मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. बट एक फ़्लाइट में 2 ही पेट्स अलाउड है, लाइक इन द कैबिन. सो अगर मेरे पास है तो मेरे साथ एक और बंदा लेके आ सकता है. सो यू हैव टू काइंड ऑफ कॉल देम टू कंफर्म कि अगर उस पर और लोग भी तो, और पेट्स तो नहीं है. अगर एक बंदे ने ऑलरेडी, 2 लोगों ने ऑलरेडी पेट बुक किया हुआ है तो आपको चांस नहीं मिलेगा. देन यू हैव टू बुक अनदर फ्लाइट. सो ये सब चीज़ें हैं. और दोनों पेट्स का सीट भी अलग अलग रखा जाता है, सो दैट देयर इज नो आर्ग्यूमेंट्स ऑफ फाइट्स और ये सब. If your pet is and carrier is weighing more than 10 kgs तो वो check in में ही जाएगा. So वो weight का भी देखना पड़ेगा. My pet was around 3.5, and that's it. I mean, इसमें इतना कुछ difficult नहीं था. मैंने एयर इंडिया सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं चुना बिकॉज मैंने उसके बारे में सुना है कि उसके रूल्स तो प्रिटी मच सिमिलर ही हैं, फ़ीस भी सिमिलर है, लेकिन उसमें इवन इफ़ एवरीथिंग इज़ क्लियर, लाइक यू हैव ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, इफ़ द पायलट डजंट लाइक इट, लाइक एक बार तुम वहाँ पहुँच गए हो गेट पर और तुम्हें अगर पायलट ने बोला, पायलट को लगा कि आई कांट हैव दिस पेट ऑन बोर्ड और पीपल मे नॉट लाइक इट, ही कैन रिफ्यूज़ इट देयर एज वेल, लाइक जस्ट बिफोर द एंट्री. And I think in that case I will be in like a super thing, I'll be in a really in a bad situation. Like मैं क्या करूँगी, like सब कुछ हो गया, पैसे दे दिए, checking हो गई, and then I have to go back from the the boarding gate, and I don't not even sure उसका refund मिलता है कि नहीं. And then in any case it's a lot of inconvenience, you know. So I felt like Akasa Air का guidelines were like pretty straightforward, very cooperative, they were ready to help, and I felt welcomed. I didn't feel traumatized like oh my god pet लेके जा रहे तो ये करना पड़ेगा. And उस टाइम पे तो मुझे चार्जेस भी काफ़ी सही लगे थे. 5,000 was not bad. अभी थोड़ा 7,500 does seem a little bit high, especially considering you don't really get a seat, you just get a place. But okay, I hope this was informative. Any questions, drop them in the comments. I will what I'll do is मैं ये बैग का लिंक शेयर कर दूँगी अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. I'll also share the email और फ़ोन नंबर जिस पर आपको भेजना होता है ये डिटेल्स to get your pet approved. And yeah, next time I will come back with something else. Till then, bye.